Good morning, friends. I'm Ramurthy Soma from Hyderabad. I retired as a director in Geological Survey of India in 2015. It's wonderful to interact with all you people from Srinagar and surrounding areas. It reminds me of our days in Aishmukham camp in 1980-81. We were there in Lither Valley, on the bank of Lither Valley, for about 45 days as part of our training when we joined Geological Survey of India. It was very close to Pahalgam. We used to, yeah, we remember all those areas: Pahalgam, Srinagar, Sonmarg, Amarnath. We trekked to Amarnath for about 36 kilometers via Chandanwadi. So, once again, welcome to this uh, training program. And today I'll show you the interface of Quantum JS, QGIS. It's a full-fledged GIS software. It can deal with all the components of geographic information system like data capture and addition of attribute information, that is your textual information, manipulation of your data, managing your data, and analysis. You can do analysis of multiple themes both in vector format and raster format, and you can generate maps of various scales, whatever scale you want, with the available thematic layers. So all these things you can do with Quantum JS, and Quantum JS is a free and open source software. Its equivalents are proprietary softwares are available in the market for about 10 to 20 lakhs. Right. So why to waste that money? So when we can do all the things in Quantum JS, and Quantum JS is a very user-friendly software. So I'll uh, show the interface, and after that, today we'll try to open OpenStreetMaps. OpenStreetMaps is another vector data source, free vector data source. Like you have a free software, you have free data also. So we'll open some OpenStreetMaps. It's similar to Google Maps, but the only difference is in Google Maps you can view, you can identify places, you can locate your area of interest, but you cannot download the data, the vector data. So very important data, and you cannot download. But in OSM OpenStreetMaps, you can download the data also for your use. So you need not depend on internet or OpenStreetMaps. Once you download the data, it will reside in your computer, so you can play with the data. So first I'll show you the interface. So this is your Quantum JS, QGIS opening interface. You have to your left, this is the layer panel, that is the table of contents, and towards right, this is a display area. Whatever layers you open in the table of contents, you can view here in this area. Now first, so these are different tabs for opening vector data, raster data, and different types of spatial data. This is particularly for spatial data, and comma separated data, like what you have collected the data by EpiCollect, that is in the comma separated format. So that data can be seen in QGIS with this option. I think that you have already seen by my senior, Mr. Ravi Kumar has shown you already. And now I'll open Open Layers plugin. So if it is Open Layers plugin, when you install Quantum.js, it may not be available for having this plugin. See, first is the basic module, and you have other than Quantum.js. When you install Quantum.js, this is the core module, and there are thousands of plugins available for different types of works. Now if I want to open a base layer in the backdrop, then I can open a Google Map or OpenStreetMap or Bing Maps, etc. So that is not part of that particular module is not part of the Quantum.js. So it is in the form of a plugin. So if you want to download that plugin, you go to the plugin and manage and install plugins. Here OSM. So sorry, open layers. Open layers. So this is a plugin. This is already installed. So select if it is not installed, it will be displayed in this list, and you can have to what you have to do is you select this one, and instead of uninstall, you will have the install button here. So just install that. That's end of it. So that plugin will be installed. So similarly, whatever plugin you are interested in for various other operations, you can search it. If it is not there, you select just type the keyword. You will get it. If it is plugin is available, then select that plugin and install. Okay. So in this case, OpenLayers plugin is already there. Okay. So OpenLayers, I'll go to that will be displayed in the under Web tab. OpenLayers and OpenStreetMaps and OpenStreetMaps. So entire OpenStreetMaps of entire globe is here. Now there are two ways to go to your place. First, if you are specific about you know the area, then you can just zoom in, go to India and go to Srinagar, etc. But if it is some unknown place you want to search, then there is another plugin called Open OSM Place Search. That is also plugin. If it is not available, go to similarly what you have done for Open Layers. Similarly, you have to go to Manage and Install Plugins, search for OSM Place Search and install it. Now, okay. Now view. Since it's already there, I'll activate that panel. Open OSM Place Search panel. Okay. Now I typed Srinagar and say. So there are so many Srinagars in different parts of country. One is there is one in Uttarakhand and Jammu Kashmir, Bihar also there is a Srinagar, Uttar Pradesh also there is a Srinagar. So we are interested in Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir. This is the one. Okay. Yeah, this is the one. Enter thing and say double click it. So in the OpenStreetMap, that Srinagar part is highlighted. Okay, so once this is ready, then what you can just close this panel, and there is another plugin called Open Layer. Yeah, no, this is OSM data download plugin is there. OSM data download. So for that also, if it is not available in your Quantum.js software, then go to Manage and Install Plugins. So here type OSM. So OSM downloader, this is another plugin. So you can select it and instead of uninstall, you can install it. So once installed, so that will be in the form of a button here, download OSM. Now download. So take this and go to your particular area of interest. Now I'll select the lake and surroundings. This part I'll select. So you have to define an area of interest. So once you draw your rectangle or some box, so this is the extent, north and south and west and east, all extent. The four corners will be displayed here, and then you save it. So show it your path where you want to save this file. I have created already a Kashmir AGR University folder, and yeah, I'll give OSM Srinagar file name. So the extension is OpenStreetMaps, and save it. Or, and after that, okay. So it is taking some time. Now see, OSMA is a OpenStreetMap extension. It contains several layers. It's not a single file. Success, the file has been downloaded. Okay. Now I can add that file, those files to here. Yeah. See, as I said, it's not a single file. So there is a file for line, there is a file for multi-strings, multi-line strings, and multi-polygons and other relations and pointers. So basically three geometries: point, line, and polygon. So some are multi-points and some are multi-lines and some are polygons. And I am adding all the layers to the panel and say, you see, all those things are added. Now, so this is the from internet. What we are getting the OpenStreetMaps from the internet. Now this is what I have downloaded. Okay, only our area, this area only. So here polygons are there, lines are there, polygon points are there, points are there. So points, so several layers are there. So now what you have to do? So now we'll see one by one. Point layer, what it contains. So this is a point layer, and you have all the attribute information. This is the name of the particular point. Elite smile dent. Okay. So now I am zoom to layer. Zoom map to selected features. Yeah. So this is called okay. So similarly, you can identify with identify button also. You can view the, yeah, this is identify features. Now see what it is. Yeah, power line maybe. See, the name of this particular location is Elite Smile Dental Clinic. Okay. There is Bemina Government Medical College. This is Government Medical College. So all the attribute information is also downloaded to your system now. Similarly, you have multi polygons. This is line features. These are also line features. So for each and every Geometry, you have attribute information also. Yeah, this is a highway, residential, trunk road, residential road, service road. So all this information, it's a very painstaking efforts for the collection of data. So just click of a button, you can download entire data and it is available to you. That is the beauty of open data, free and open data. So you have a free and open software, and this is free and open data. So this now see, this is under with the extension of OSM, OpenStreetMap extension. But if you want to save it as a different format, you can just go to points. Yeah, right click on the point layer and save it as save. Yeah, export save feature as Isri shapefile. Is a company, and uh, there's a proprietor of RGS, very popular, very expensive proprietary software world over, that is RGS, and owners of the RGS software is ISRI, Environmental Science Research Institute. It's based at America, and the format is file format is shapefile. And now I'll save it as save at my location. This is line. Srinagar point line data, and say okay. Similarly, lines, export and save feature as this is Srinagar line. And here is a coordinate reference system. Whatever coordinates reference system of your source layer, it will be saved in that only. So here it is uh, reference system is WS84 with geographic coordinate system. So we'll have the same thing and say okay. Similarly, polygon, export, save feature as Sri poly, and say okay. So this is all about your uh, use of OpenStreetMaps and how to download and how to save it as a shapefile. So thank you very much. And next, I'll hand it over to Mr. PK Sinha, Dr. PK Sinha. Uh, Thank you.